Back out on the worm. Cloudy today. Sure, that left one just twitched. Yes, you. What have we got here then? Oh, nice brown trout. Always lovely. A spotty one. Just getting back in, isn't he? Oh. Off he goes.